Hello everybody. Today in arithmetic progression we will see general form of an AP. General form of an AP. As you all know, your arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each successive number is obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term. This fixed number can be positive, negative or 0. So, the general form of your AP takes a form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Okay. Now, based upon this general formula, I am taking one question, that is, write the first 4 terms of the AP. For writing any terms or in AP, you need only 2 things, that is A is your first term, and D, that's a common difference which is obtained by subtracting second term from the first term. Here A is given 10 and D is also given 10. We are supposed to write the first 4 terms of the AP. So first of all you can write A1 is equal to A, your A2, that is second term will be A plus D, your third term will be equal to A plus 2D and your fourth term will be equal to A plus 3D. Just keep the value. The value of A is 10, so this becomes 10, this becomes 10. The value of D is again 10, so here it is 20. Now this is 10 plus 2 into 10, that is 30. Again 10 plus 3 into 10 and that is 40. So the very first 4 terms are your 10, 20, 30, 40. Again we are having one more question in which the common difference D is your minus 3. Here also you have to do the same thing. A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is equal to A, A2 is equal to A plus D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D and here it is A plus 3D. A, the very value is given 4. Here it is 4 minus 3, that is 1. Here it is 4 minus, just see children here, the value of D is minus 3, so plus 2, again minus 3. So what you get? Minus 6 plus 4, that is 4 minus 6 and that is your minus 2. Again you can see here 4 plus 3 into minus 3, that is 4 minus 9 and that is equal to minus 5. So the first 4 terms are your 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Again we can see some more question. They are a little bit different from what we have seen right now. Your question is, which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find common difference D and write the 3 more terms. You can be given with the sequence, and from that sequence you have to find whether they are arithmetic progression or not. As you all know, your all sequence are not arithmetic progression, but all arithmetic progressions are your sequence. Let us see this one. Here A1 is 2 and your A2 is 5 upon 2, A3 is 3 and your A4 is 7 upon 2. Whenever you are provided with certain sequence, then what you have to do, find out the common difference. If you see that the common difference is same, that means the given sequence is in AP. You can see here A2 minus A1 will give you 5 upon 2 minus 2, that is 1 by 2. Again A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, that is A3 is 3, 3 minus 5 upon 2, that is again half. And similarly you can do A4 minus A3, that is 7 upon 2 minus 3 and that is again half. Okay. So you can see that A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A4 minus A3. That means this particular sequence is in AP, and what you have to do now, you have to write 3 more terms because it is in AP, as in the question it's given, if they form an AP, find common difference. So already what is the common difference, children? That is half. So next what we have to do, we have to write 3 more terms. You can see already the terms up to 4 is given. So you have to write A5, A6, and A7. So what is A5? A plus 4D. That is, what is the value of A2 plus 4? What is D given? Half. Okay. So when you do, what value you get? 4. Again A6 will be A plus 5D. That is 2 plus 5 upon 2. That is 9 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5, 9, and that is 9 upon 2. Similarly, when you come to A7, that is A plus 6D, and this is 2 plus 6 upon 2, and that is your 5. Okay. So here you will be writing that A4 minus A3 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to half, and therefore it is in AP. Now let us see the another question. Here A1 is 2, here A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, and A4 is 16. When you find A2 minus A1, you get 4 minus 2, and that is 2. A3 minus A2, that is 8 minus 4, you get 4. You can see here, the moment you get common difference different, from there itself you can conclude that the given terms are not in your AP. So you can just write, since A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2, therefore it is not in AP. As in the question, it is mentioned that you have to write 3 more terms only if it is in AP. Otherwise, you have to mention that it is not in AP. So your common difference is half. You can again mention, if you want, common difference is equal to half. And your 3 more terms are your 4, 9 upon 2 and 5. Thank you.